So we're talking USGA Rule 8, course played as it is found. Now 8.1 talks about players' actions that improve conditions affecting their stroke. Now this covers a lot of different circumstances, but it talks about some of the actions that aren't allowed, such as moving or bending or breaking natural objects that will help your stroke. So if you have a branch in your backswing and you snap that branch off so that you're able to swing the club fully on the way back, that's obviously not allowed. So it talks about all those different circumstances. Now it talks about actions that are allowed, such as touching the ground lightly with your club behind or in front of the golf ball and things like that. So it covers a lot of different points. If you want to find more of those, just go ahead and dive into 8.1, and we will be covering those on later videos. Now 8.2 talks about players' deliberate actions to alter other physical conditions to affect the player's own ball at rest or the stroke to be made. So basically 8.2 kind of talks about what we talked about in 8.1, but it's more so if the ball's at rest. Just say you're on a severe slope on the putting green and maybe there's a bush where you think your ball might go, and you walk over and break the branches of the bush. So it kind of reiterates 8.1, but also talks about how that's not just limited to maybe your stroke or your swing. It's also limited to even a ball at rest that's in good conditions that may go into those bad conditions. So it can be a little bit confusing at times, but if you want to find out more, dive into 8.2. So 8.3 talks about how not only are you not allowed to do certain things, or you are allowed to do certain things to your own golf ball and swing, but you're not allowed, or you're allowed to do those things to other players as well. So that's something to keep in mind. Rule 8 has a lot of information in it. I suggest you diving deep, taking a look at it, so you know what you are and aren't allowed to do out on the golf course. And we will cover some of these things in later episodes. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.